Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chime to debit card. So without wasting any more time, let's start out today's video. Transferring money from Chime to debit card is quite simple. Here's how you can do it. Open the Chime app, navigate to the Move Money section, select Transfer Money, choose the amount you would like to send. Choose the external debit card. In the To drop-down, select the external debit card you want to transfer money to. Confirm the transfer. Review the transfer details and tap Send. Keep in mind that there might be a fee of 1.75% of the total transferred amount. The transfer should be instant, but sometimes there might be delays due to network timing or other factors. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.